Okay, sir, ganito na lang. Send ko sa inyo yung mga files, tapos reply na lang kayo doon. Okay. Ano bang email address niyo, sir? Ha? Email address? Okay. Uh, uh, issues 69 gmail.com. Issues 69 gmail.com. Ano yun, sir? Sorry? Nelly Licious 69 at gmail.com. So, Nelly Licious, sir. at gmail.com. Okay, sir. Yung okay ka lang, sir? Tatawa ka? Nakakatawa? Yung licious nyo ba, sir, sorry, yung licious nyo ba, sir, as in delicious? Yes. Okay, sir. Tapos 69, sir, as in 69. Number. Okay, sir.